Correct explanation, paper number 22. Ma. The four-letter meaningful word can be formed of using second, third, fourth, sixth. Second, third, fourth, five, six. This is E, S, T, N. What the meaningful word? Nest is one of the meaningful word. Scent is one of them. Nest and scent. Now, mark X as your answer is more than one word is from. So answer is what? Ma? C. Option D is right. Clear? Now, two friends, Ravi and Ram are starting to walk from two different points A and B respectively. Respectively means the point A is Ravi, point B is Ram. Ravi is facing south, Ram is facing north. Ravi is 20 meters west of Ram. So, Ravi is 20 meters west of Ram. Ravi is facing at the point A, Ram is facing at the point B. And Ravi is facing south direction and Rama is facing north direction. Clear? Now the Rama is facing north direction. Then Ravi is facing south direction. Now, Ravi is 200 meters west of Ramu. Ravi and Ramu start walking for 18 meters in the direction they are facing. So 18 meters. 200 meters west of Ramu. So this is 200 meters. Okay? And Ravi and Rama start walking for 18 meters in the direction they are facing, reach D and E respectively. So they reached D and reached 18 meters E. Okay? Then they turn left and walk 15 meters which is F and G respectively. So turn left and walk 50 meters. And turn left and walk 50 meters. And F and G respectively. First ever Ravi Ramana. Then is here F and this is here G. Okay. Then and they walk, turn to left and walk for 40 meters, reach C and M respectively. So 40 meters C and left they are saying. So this is only left 40 meters for that M respectively. Then Ravi turns to right and walk for 100 meters, reach L. So Ravi turns right and walk 100 meters. So this is again 50 na, that is again 100 meters. So then 150 reaches L. Not that. What is the direction of G with respect to C? What is the direction of G with respect to C? First is direction, north direction. What is direction? East direction. In between, northeast. So option B is right answer. Option B is the right answer. What is the distance between G and L? So this is 50, this is 100. Now the 150, this is 50. Means same line only, no? Means same line because of this is 200, na? Same line. Then this is G to 40 and then again 80. 80 low, ikkada 40 is completed. Again 40. So 80 plus 40, 120. So option 68. 68 question, option D is the right answer. Next 69. 4 of the following 5 are like in certain way. It is formed as a group. Find the odd one out. Find the odd one. GA. So A is southwest of G. Southwest of G. DM. And again D is southwest of M. Again second person is southwest of first person. F and L. Again southwest of F is L is F is southwest of L. Second person is southwest of first person. F and A is northwest of A. So option D is the different one. Remaining all are G and A. Then second person is southwest of first person except option D. Except option D. The next 70 to 71. A family consists of 7 members and 2 married couples. H is the grandson of both B and D. But both B and D is not the married couple. But both are belong to the same generation. A is the mother of G. Write down. A is the mother of G. Who Who is the brother of E? Who is the G? So G is the brother of E. Then F is the mother of H. F is the mother of H. Then who is the brother of E? F is the mother of H. D, E, F are the same gender. F is the sister of E. So, and has no sibling. So, then F should be married. So, F is sister of E and has no sibling. So, these are the chances. And F is the mother of H. So, F is the mother of H is here. Now, D, E, F are the same genders. D, E, F are the same genders. Now the saying H is the grandson of both B and D. So both B and D means this is only chances for D because of D is minus and A, D is also B is also minus na. F is minus means E is minus, D is minus. Then minus minus is not married. So only B. The B is a plus person. Then D is a minus person. Then E is a minus person. The result again, H is the grandson of both B and D. D, H is the grandson, B, H is the grandson. Here son, here daughter. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members here. 7 members completed. That is the blood relation. Now, how is the B related to G? You want to question B. The base is G. How is the B related to G? Father only, na? What is that? Father. So option A is right. Option A is right. Next, how is the E related to H? E. That is G is the father. Father's sister is what? Aunt. And that too paternal aunt. Means father's sister is not paternal. So option C is right. Next, 72, 76. 8 alphabetical letters are arranged from left to right in such a manner to form a meaningful word. All the letters are different. The word contains 5 consonants and 3 vowels. 3 vowels and 5 consonants. Only 2 letters are between E and U. So, E, 2 letters, U, 2 letters, E. You don't know now which is satisfied. P is placed immediately left of S. P is placed immediately left of S is here. The number of letters to the left of E same as right of U. Left of E same as right of U. They are telling 8 alphabetical letters, na? 8 letters. For example, left of every class 2 and right of every class 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Again, right of it class 2 and left of it class also 2. Okay, the right of you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The left of you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are only possibility cases, chances. Okay. Now, the number of letters between A and P is same as A and C. A and P is same as A and C. Means A is exact between C and P. Otherwise, P or C, C or P also possible. Then L is placed second left of A. L is second to the left of A, they are saying. And N is one of the letters in the word. So N is one of the letters in the word. Okay. So I want P is immediate left of S is here. Then P, A, C. Then A and L. Come on. If I take it as here, both are same now, up to now, not same. If I take it as here, SP. If I take it as here, SP. P is between exact between A and C. P and A one person, A and C not one person. Then P and A 2 persons, A and C 2 persons. Is it okay? P and A 2 persons, C and A 2 persons. Then L is second left of A. Then L is second left of A. Then the remaining person is N. So this is a meaningful word. This is a meaningful word. Yes or no? Yes or no? So P and S is not possible. Then this case is not possible. And if I take it here, S and P, PAC. If I take it as PAC, not possible in this case at all. So take it as here S and P. PA 2 persons and AC 2 persons. And A second left is the possible? again not. So this case also not possible. And coming to this case, now take it as this, take it as this E, P, yes, P and yes. Now A and P, one person, again A and C, one person not possible. Then P and A should be two persons. Then A and C should be two persons. Then L is second left of A. L is second left of A. Then remaining is N. This is a meaningful word? Yes or no? Clean up. Meaningful word or not? Yes, this is a meaningful word. That's the answer. So 3 movements what? U, A, E. And 5 consonants remaining are 5 consonants. So clean up is the meaningful word. So that is all. Now, as many letters are between L and A, same as U and dash. L and A how many? 1. Then U and A 1, U and S also 1. So if they are not given A, they are given S. So option A is the right answer. How many consonants are between C and U? C and U, 1, 2. 2 consonants. In between C and U there are only 2 consonants. Option B is the right answer. So the following statement is true. C is placed immediate right of E. No. 3 letters are between N and S. No. A and N are not adjacent to each other. They are adjacent, na, but they are also not adjacent. You are not. E is placed second left of N. Yes. So option D is right. Option D is the right answer. What is the position of N with respect to S? What is the position of N with respect to S? First, second, third to the left. Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. If P is related to E, P one gap E, and A is related to U, A after one gap U. In certain way, which of the following letter is related to P? There is K. Which of the following related to P? Which of the following related to P? One gap is what? Yeah, next gap. Option A is the right answer. Next, 8 people sitting in 2 parallels containing 4 people in each. In such a way that there is an equal distance between 2 adjacent persons. Row 1, Sonam, Rajan, Raman, Sara, seated all of them facing south. Okay. Row 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. This is Sonam and Rajan, Ranam. 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. Sonam, Rajan, Raman. And again 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. Row 2, that is Ratan, and then Rima, and then Riya, and then V. Then Sonam and Raman are not seated next to each other. Sonam and Raman are not next to each other. Okay. Then, but both are seated in the first row. Then they are already telling that. Rima is seated just next to Riya. So Rima, Riya just neighbors. Just neighbor. Next means either left or right side. Okay. Then Raman is seated opposite Riya. Riya is seated at the second place from the right end of the second row. So this is only chance of Riya, na? And Raman is seated opposite of Riya. This is only chance of Rama. Raman and Sonam is not neighbors, means this is only chance for Sonam. Okay. Now Riya is seated second place from the right end of the second row. Viru is seated just next to Riya. So Rima, Viru next. Rima, Riya next. Viru, Riya also next. Means remaining is what? Ratan. So this is only chance for Ratan, na? This is only chance for Ratan. Next. Rattan and Veeru not neighbors. Then what is the remaining person? Come on, Rima. Then what is the remaining person here? Veeru. Next. Sonam is seated one of the extreme end of the road. Already chapakkale. The remaining person is Sonam. Already done. Rajani is neither sit any of the extreme end. So Rajani is not the end, means only chance of Rajani. Only chance of Sa. Question number 77. Who among the following faces Veeru? Veeru faces Sa. Option D is the right answer. Who among the following faces Rima? Rima faces Rajan. So C. Who seated second right of Sara? First right, second right, Rajan. Because of Sara is facing south, na? First right, second right is Rajan. Option C is right answer. Who is sitting extreme left hand of row 1? This is row 1, na? Extreme left hand of row 1 is what? Sara. Option A is right answer. Who is sitting second to the left of Dharma facing Raman? The Raman is facing Riya. The second left of Riya is what? Ratan. So option C is the right answer. That 82 to 84. Synopsis is here. Only few mixers are mint. Some part of mixer is not a mint. All mints are molars. No molar is a mixer. The given set is positive. They are asking negative. Not follows directly. Some mixers are molars. Yes, this part of mixer is molar. So only two follows. Option E is the right answer. Next. Only few onions are objects. Some part of onions is not an object. Some objects is orbit. So this is orbit. This is onion. Some orbit are definitely not onions. This is orbit, this is onion. They are not given any restriction about these two, but they are asking not. So not follows. All objects can never be. Can never be means just not only. All objects are not orbits. All objects are not orbits. They are not given any restriction about these two again. Again they are asking not. So neither one not to follow. Option A. Only few powers are pulses. Some part of powers is not a pulses. All powers are pulses. All powers are pulses. No power is so no power is one. Then here, no pouch is one. Pouch is free. Not follows. Some powers are definitely not pulses. They are not given pulses to pulse restriction, and they are not asking. So, not follows. Neither one not to follow. Option D is right answer. Then, the school authorized publication in the annual examination scheduled to class of 8 subjects Hindi, English, Mathematics, Environment, Science and something to be tested on 8 different dates. Second, third, fourth, so second, third, fourth, 6, 7, 9, 10th and 12th of the October, but not in the same. Students will get 1 day leave before each of the mathematics, geography, history test. Before maths, before geography, before history. Will get leave. So what are the chances for leave? This is a 5th day leave. This is a 8th day leave. This is a 11th day leave. Means math, geography, history chances for 6 and 9 and 12 chances. Or no? Or no? Yes. Next, but not in the same order. The test of language are always scheduled on the first 2 days. But the languages, how many languages here? How many languages? English and Hindi. English and Hindi, first 2 days they are given. So, English, Hindi, Hindi or English, you don't know that. Okay. The environmental science test is scheduled on 7th October. This is environmental. This is environmental. Only 2 tests are scheduled between the test of English and mathematics. If you are getting mathematics, English should be either 2 or 3. If they are getting mathematics, 2 means should be English only chances na. 2 tests are getting. 2 tests. So the test of language always with that only 2 tests are scheduled between test of English and maths. English and maths only 2 tests na. Then what is the remaining? Hindi. Hindi is going to third day. Only 2 sets between the test of English and mathematics. The test of biology is scheduled on day after the history. The biology after the history, then you have geography and history. There is not a history chances. There is history. Then the test of biology is after the history. So biology is after the history means biology is after the history means history is not at all possible of here. Okay, history is not 12. Only 6 is gone math. Then what is the history? 9. So this is history. Then math is going for 6th date. Then history is going for 9th date. What is the geography date? 12th date. This is geography. Then biology is after history. This is the only chance of biology. And remaining subject goes to the subject. Clear? So on which date the test of biology is scheduled? Test of biology which date? 10th. None of the option. Sorry, option 8 right. 10th of October, option 8 right. On which date the test of geography is scheduled? Geography schedule 12th of October. So option C is right answer. How many tests are scheduled after history? After history, the remaining is history. After history, how many? 2. Option D is right. On which date the test for English schedule? English is 2nd November. So 2nd October. Option A is right answer. Option A is exact. How many tests are scheduled between the test of science and biology? So this is biology. Remaining is science only, na? Yes. Then how many tests are scheduled in between science and biology? How many tests? 3 tests. Option C is right. That's coding, na? What is the code for increase? What the chances for increase? This is only chance for increase. And in the second line, only chance for increase. In the second line, which code is common? SA. Maybe chance for SA. And DZ is common here. So not possible. ST is common here. Not possible. PD is common here. Not possible. MN is not common. So either SA or MN. Either SA or MN. Option D is the right answer. Option D. Next. 91. What is the code for PD and WX? What is the code for PD? This is the chances for PD. This is the chances for PD. The second and fourth line, which word is common? Very is common. Only very is common. Knowledge here also. Not the first line also. Not the knowledge. Only very is common. So your option must be has very. If it cannot be the answer, this is cannot be the answer. Maybe this one, maybe this one. Next one, what is the WX? This is the WX, and only this is the WX. Only first and last line. The only first and last line which is common, books only common. So books and very you are. So this cannot be the answer. Option C is right. I want W index and W index is here, but knowledge here also na. The second line. Then why are you taking the knowledge? So books and very. Next. If man success is code as SANP, then what is the code for increase efficiency? What is the code for increase in the last one? What is the code for increase? Either SA or MN. Now they are given man is success for SA. Then increase is not SA, na? Then increase is code for what? MN. Then this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer. What is the code for efficiency? Then come on, what is the code for efficiency? Where is efficiency chances? They are not given efficiency. Then they are not given the code also. PD is there, that cannot be the answer. CX, Is there any CXC chance? No. FQ is a chance? Yes, FQ is a chance. That cannot be the answer. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. The baseline increase you cannot find out because of MNR, SA you will get increase in the previous one. Now they are confirmed man success is equal for SA and NP. Now SA can confirm or man or success, whatever it is. Means SA does not have increase. Then only chance for MN. The next, what is the code for enhance confidence, satisfy power, knowledge? See that here is the enhance, satisfy, power, knowledge, enhance confidence. Okay, see that here enhance, power, give, satisfy. You want enhance, you want power, you want satisfy, but you want give. So what is the, please tell me, what is the code of give? What is the give and what is the give? What is the code for give? Which is common in the first and third line? Which is common, ma? TP only common. Sir, no. AB also common. And DZ, FQ, they are not given. AB also common is there. And TP. So, what is the two words is common? Give and power is there, not power, satisfy, not satisfy, enhance. Enhance is there. Okay. Now what is the code for enhance? TP. Otherwise, AP. TP or AP. If give is confidence is called as TPOV, they are given. If give confidence is called as TPOV. Now, give is they are getting TP. The argument. Give is for TP. Then give is for TP means you can cancel TP and TP. What is that you can confirm? DZ and FQ and AB is code for enhance, power, satisfy. Then your option should be DZ, FQ, AB. Here there is not FQ. That cannot be the answer. Here DZ, FQ, AB. There is not AB. That cannot be the answer. And the next one, there is not the DZ, that cannot be the answer. DZ, FQ, AB. Option C is the right answer, but none of these also is given. And you have to confirm remaining ST and the OB also. Then enhance is over, then power is over, then satisfy is over, then identify the confidence and knowledge. What is the knowledge coding? Now tell me, what is the knowledge coding? Knowledge is here, knowledge is here, knowledge is here. What's that? Yes, T, then ST. ST, there ST is here also. Then what is the confidence coding? Confidence is OB only, no? They are not confidence is given. They are not OB also given. Yes, option C is the right. Option C is the right. Then enhance, power, give, safety, and eliminate give, then you have to use three words directly. Then give is what's the code? TP. Then I am using directly these three codes. That's it. Before identifying, then go for elimination. The next. In the given arrangement, codes are how many words are not certain? How many words are not certain? Here is that increase is not certain. So based on the first question. Then again, give and enhance, enhance and give also not certain, enhance also not certain. Yes or no? Then give also not certain. Yes or no? The next, satisfy, satisfy. Man also not certain. Because of man is in the first question, I got 2 codes. So how many up to now? 4. So more than 3. Go with more than 3. The more than 3 is not uncertain. You cannot determine that. Either or cases is satisfied. Next. How many pairs of letters there is in a word? Compromise. So 3, 15, 13, 16, 18, 15, 13, 9, 19 and 5. Then come on, count that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. 15, 16, 17, 18. It's a one pair. 18 more than 18, no number, no need to count. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it's one more again. Next, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. No. 18, no. 15, no. 13, 14, 15. 9 only. Then come in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 19 not possible. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The one. Next, 13, 14, 15, 16. One more. 17, 18 not possible. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 18 not possible, 16 not possible, 13 not possible, 15 not possible. How many? 4. Option B. The next, a certain number of people are sitting around circle table, all of them facing toward the center of the table. Okay. Now, certain number of circles. F is second left of J and C is fifth right of E. So F is second left of J and C is fifth right of E. C is fifth right of E. Number of people sit between I and J is same as H and J. I and J same as H and J. This is the equal number of persons. So J is in between of I and H. Okay. Now, H is an immediate neighbor of both B and D. So H is immediate neighbor of both B and D. Not exactly B and D, maybe D or B also. Okay. Next, J is exactly middle of E and F. So J is exactly middle of E and F. When counted from left of E and right of F. Left of E, right of F. Left of E and right of F. J is exactly middle. So means J is here, F is here. And only chances na? Left of E, right of F. Then only chance J, only chance F is here. This is the. Then C is fifth right of E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is fifth right of E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is fifth right of E. This is also done. The next, H is B and D. There is no H, there is no B, there is no D also. Now, only one person is between B and D, and I is fourth left of D. So only one person between B and D. B and D only one person, and I is fourth to the left of D. So D 1, 2, 3, fourth left. I is fourth left of D. Not more than 4 people between I and J. When counted from either left or right of J. So in between I and J, 4 or less than 4 persons is chances. Okay. Now C is not immediate neighbor of D. So C is not neighbor of D. At the least 13 people sit around the circuit table. At least 13 means more than 13 are the chances. Up to now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 members is there. Come on. I, J, H is here na. Then only one person between B and D is here na. Then H is exactly between B and D. So here H is immediate neighbor of both B and D. H is immediate neighbor of both B and D. Now F, J, this is done. I, J, H only chances. B and D one person only chances. E and C only chances. B and A only chances. I and J, I want 4 less than 4 persons here. 1, 2, 3. If I take that I. Up to now this is same na. Now 1, 2. So this is taken as I. I and J how many persons? 4 persons. Then J and H how many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. This is J and H. Because they are saying number of people sit between I and J same as number of people sit between J and H and J. H is immediate neighbor of B and D. So B R D, B R D. But C is not neighbor of D. Only B. Only D. Now I is fourth left of D, they are saying 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Not possible na. Now take it as, if don't take it as these 2 persons, if take it as these 2 persons, F and I, Then they are given I and j less than 4 persons na. Now 1 2 3 4, but I want 1 2 3 4 fourth person. This is case is not for. Now if else cases here I and j one person, so take it as D H be not possible. If I take it as I, F and I and J no person, J and H also no person. So again this case also not possible. Take it as one more person, and I, J, H, I and J less than 4 persons, I will take it as one person only, means no person. I and J how many persons? 2 persons. Then J and H also 2. Then H is immediate neighbor of both B and D, they are saying. Again not possible. So this case not possible. If I take it as here I, then I and J no, J and E no. So this case not. Now take it as this one. I and D is fourth left of I, they are saying. No. 1 2 person, take it as I. Right side of J. I and J 2 persons, I and H 2 persons. Again this is not possible. If I take it as I is here, J and I 3 persons, I and J 3 persons, J and H also 3 persons. 1 2 3 persons, this is a H is here. Okay. Now H is immediate neighbor of both C and D, but C is not neighbor of D na. Then this is D and this is B. Now B and I want one more person. I is fourth left of D. 1 2 3 4th left, not possible. Take it as D is here, take it as B is here. 1 2 3 4th left. But D and C are not neighbors. C D are neighbors only na. 1 2 3 4th one. And take it as I is here. Now the take it as the confirm J and I 1 2 3 4 persons, J and H are 4 persons. 1 2 3 4 persons, this is the H. And take it as D is here, and take it as B is here, because of H is not neighbor of B and D. And I is fourth left of D. 1 2 3, one more person. 1 2 3 4 left. So I is fourth left of D. And D and C also not neighbors. I and J 4 are less than 4. So I and J only 4 persons. And J and H also only 4 persons. And H is neighbor of both B and D. Is, so all conditions are satisfied. And more than 13 they are saying 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. At least 13, the total is 15. Then question number 96, how many persons sit in the circle? How many? Come on. 15. Option C is right. Then there is no chances. I am checking left side of J, then after I am checking right side of J. That's it. So how many people sit between D and E when counted anti-clockwise direction starting from D? So starting from D, D and E they are asking. So this is clockwise. Anti-clockwise, this is means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers. Option B is right answer. Anti-clockwise. Who is ninth left of I? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Ninth left is what? B. So option E is right answer. Number of people sit between J and C when counted left of C. Left of C 1 2 3 4 5 6 members. Then more left of C are more than number of people sit between I and when counted from right of I. So 6 is more and cheptunadu. Number of people sit between J and C when counted left of C are more than. Means these 6 is more than when counted from number of I and cheptunadu. Remember that I 1, 2, 3, 4 persons na D is here. There is no H, there is no B. If they take it as F, 6,000. Only T. The number of people sit between J and C is 6. These are more than right side of I to how many persons they are asking? 1, 2, 3, fourth person, 3 persons. D is here. If they take it as H also possible, B also possible, but they are not given option. Like that, you will go with D option. You will go with the F option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members is there. But the condition is what? 6 is more than. But 7 is not possible. So that's why F is not possible. Only A. Next one. Who is third left of the one? Who is sixth right of H? Sixth right of H and third left. Right and left. Both should be subtraction. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 3 from the right of H. So who is third left of the one who is sixth right of H? 6 and 3. 3. Third to the right of H. 1, 2, 3. What is that? F is here. That's it. So go with one left, one right, go with subtraction. 3 and 6 and 3. Subtraction is 3 and right. So third right of H is what? Yes. So option D is right. Clear now? So this is about paper. Very good. Thank you all of you.